If you're dealing with an emergency roof leak repair, chances are water is already causing stress inside your home. A leaking roof is not something to ignore or delay. Even a small leak can quickly turn into damaged drywall, ruined insulation, and long-term structural problems if it isn't handled correctly and quickly. The first concern most people have is cost. Understanding Logan Roof Repair Price ranges helps you make smart decisions during a stressful situation. Pricing is influenced by the severity of the leak, the roofing material, the age of the roof, and how quickly the repairs need to be completed. Emergency repairs often focus on stopping the leak immediately and then addressing any underlying issues to prevent repeat problems. Homeowners often ask whether they need a repair or a full replacement. The best way to know is by getting an estimate for roof repairs or replacement Logan residents can trust. A professional inspection should explain what caused the leak, what can be fixed now, and whether your roof has enough remaining life to justify repairs. Honest roofers explain all options clearly without pushing unnecessary work. When water is actually entering your home, speed matters. A fast roof repair estimate Logan homeowners rely on allows you to take action before the damage spreads. Fast estimates don't mean rushed decisions. They mean experienced professionals who can quickly assess the situation and give accurate information when time is critical. Affordability is still important, even in an emergency. An affordable roofing quote Logan homeowners can count on balances immediate protection with long-term value. The goal is not to just stop the leak today, but to make sure your roof holds up through future storms and seasonal changes common in Logan. Emergency roof leaks are overwhelming, but the right roofing professional makes the process easier. With clear pricing, honest estimates, and fast response time, you can protect your home, avoid costly damage, and move forward with confidence knowing the problem is handled the right way. Contact us now for more information on how we can help you. 435-999-5004